What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DOGECOIN.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that for now we have a bunch of bearish news related to DOGECOIN and to entire crypto industry. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that previously we had this range of support, and I've told you that if this asset breaks this range to the downside, we had two major targets. First of all, we had the target at about $0.0689. It is the previous swing low, as you can see right here, and we had about 13% of upside potential to this range because it is a short position. Next range should be slightly lower, and it might be right here at $0.056, and we had about 29% of upside potential to this range. And as you can see, we hit both of these targets, and definitely it is a very good achievement to make some profits on a bear market. And right here I've told you that we might hover for quite some time around these levels, and then probably we might land even lower. And the next range of support might be at $0.0426. It is the previous bottom. Let me show it to you on daily time frame. Let me switch right here and let me show you this. It is the previous bottom from end of February 2021, and definitely it might act as the range of support. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news, and first of all let's start with the total market cap for entire crypto industry. And for now we are sitting at $893.53 billion. It is a 1.02% increase over the last day, but I have to say that the total market cap for entire crypto industry already broke $900 billion, and it is also quite bearish. And as you can see, on a 7 days period, Bitcoin lost about 29.66%, Ethereum lost about 35.21%, and BNB lost about 24.91%. And I have to say that DOGECOIN is quite strong asset compared to major coins, because it lost only 24.36% on a 7 days period. And for now it has a bounce for about 4%, and other major cryptocurrencies has much lower bounces. Definitely DOGECOIN for now is quite attractive for the short-term perspective, basically for the scalping, but I want to pay your attention on the major news. And first of all, let's continue with the DOGECOIN numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $7.61 billion, and it has a volume of $375.95 million, and the volume is lower than it was previously by 45.87%. So the movement to the upside with a decrease in volume is quite bearish sign, because we cannot rely on this movement as the major trend, because we basically don't have any volume at all compared to previous one. And that's why we have to be very cautious. So we have one news directly related to DOGECOIN, and let me show you this. On Seeking Alpha we have this article that is titled "DOGECOIN investor sues Elon Musk for $258 billion over alleged pyramid scheme," reported by Reuters. And let me quote you this. DOGECOIN investor Keith Johnson has sued Elon Musk for $258 billion over allegations that the Tesla CEO has been running a pyramid scheme to prop up the price of the popular meme coin, Reuters reported Friday, citing Johnson's complaint filed in federal court on June 16th. Recall DOGECOIN, a crypto designed purely as a joke, surged to a record peak of roughly 64 cents in May 2021 from near zero at the beginning of last year amid the broader crypto frenzy that took place at the time. Musk, who has 98.5 million followers on Twitter, and I have to say that back in the days he had only 60 million followers on Twitter, He took over headlines during much of the Doge boom, as his tweets almost immediately impacted the price of Doge one way or another. Since its peak, Doge has cratered roughly 90% to 6 cents as investors shy away from riskier assets. And let me quote you this. Defendants were aware since 2019 that DOGECOIN had no value, yet promoted DOGECOIN to profit from its trading. The complaint said. The plaintiff's complaint said, as quoted by Reuters. Musk used his pedestal as the world's richest man to operate and manipulate the DOGECOIN pyramid scheme for profit, exposure and amusement. And definitely this lawsuit might negatively impact not only DOGECOIN price but also the prices of Elon Musk's assets like Tesla, for example, and definitely it might affect the entire industry, not only the crypto industry but the stock market as well, because Tesla is one of the biggest auto manufacturers right now. So, and let's continue with other news that drives the price of entire crypto industry lower. And first of all, definitely it is a CELCIUS network. If you type CELCIUS network news on Google search bar and switch to news tab folder, you can find a lot of news that this company, basically one of the biggest bear catalysts for the market right now. Second one is Three Arrow hedge fund, and it is a crypto hedge fund that also has a lot of problems with their funds. And as you can see, Wall Street Journal just reported crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital considers asset sales bailout. And definitely this news drives the price of entire crypto industry down. That's why we have to be very cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if I switch again to 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we have this consolidation phase, and let me show you indicators right here. We are nearing the neutral territory with MACD, and we are basically in the middle of neutral territory with RSI. And the latest movement of RSI shows the weakness of this asset because it has some kind of curvature. And let me show you in details on BTC price action. Right here we have the same pattern from oversold territory to basically neutral, to the lower end of neutral territory. But we have this pattern on BTC. As you can see, we have higher highs on RSI with the lower highs on the price action. And this is a hidden bearish divergence. This means this asset might continue its trend to the downside. And because of this, and I have to say that we have plenty of bearish news from the fundamental standpoint, I have to warn you that most likely we might hit lower price targets for DOGECOIN. And for now, it is less obvious than we had this massive sell-off, but it is still on the table that we might land at the ranges of about $0.042. And definitely this range might be the support range, but in general we have negative 0.236 level at $0.02888 as the algo target for the bot trading with this asset. And definitely I don't suggest you to enter your long position because we don't have any confirmations of any bullishness on this asset. That's why just stay aside from this trade if you want to enter your long position, or probably you can enter your short position with the tight stop loss slightly above this range. And in this case, you will make about 23% of upside potential with risks of roughly 10%. So 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio is not the best RR, but definitely it might be much more lucrative if we will hit this range of roughly 50% of upside potential and only 10% of downside. This means this risk to reward ratio becomes more attractive for the short-term traders, and that's why just be cautious, and if you're not experienced enough, just stay aside from any trades. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay